Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make this yummy delicious noodles by yourself at home. So here I have 2 packs of noodles that I'm going to use. You can use any noodle of your choice, but this is indomitable, that's what they call it, and with chicken flavor. So this is what I'm going to use just 2 packs. And here I have some veggies. I have chopped red bell pepper, chopped onions, and some chopped carrots. And I have here my spring onions that I chopped finely cut. Okay, and also I have here my shrimp, pre-cooked shrimp, that I'm going to use for this recipe as well. And here is my tomato sauce. If you do not have tomato sauce, you can use chili pepper sauce, or you can blend some red bell pepper. Make up for this, that's if you don't have this tomato sauce. I heated up my pan, and here I am adding my extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. Okay, I heated up the oil and I'm adding my veggies. You can see that I have not included my spring onions because I want to put it at the last minute. So I want to fry these ones first because these ones are a little bit harder, in terms of the texture than the spring onion. So I'm frying these ones first, and I also get to control how I want it to be. I want it to be crunchy. I don't want it to be really cooked. Except you like your veggies to be really cooked, you can leave it for some time, but I don't like my veggies to be really cooked. I like it to be cooked but slightly, so that I can still have it crunchy. Okay, that's the reason why we eat vegetables, because you don't want it to be really cooked. You want to get the nutrients from it. And I left it for about a minute on my pan, and after a minute, I had to take it out because, like I said, I don't want it to be really cooked. So I scooped it into my plate. You want to do the same after you're satisfied with the texture. Okay, for mine, I cooked it for about a minute. Okay, and here I'm adding my 2 packs of noodles. I removed it from the pack and I'm adding it into my pan where the oil is. If you do not want this oil, you can scoop it out. And I'm adding 1 cup of water, 2 cups of water. I used just 2 cups of water for this, and I'm closing my pot and I'm going to let it cook for about 3 minutes on high. 3 minutes on high. After 3 minutes on high, this is it. My noodle is cooking down, and what I'm going to do is that I'll add the seasoning that came with the pack. The seasoning in the pack, that's what I'm going to use. I'm not going to add extra seasoning, because if you add extra seasoning, it might be too salty. So I covered my pot, cooked for about a minute, and so that it can be dry. And here is it. The water is down, and I had to put my pre-cooked shrimp at this point. Now, if you're using a fresh shrimp, if yours is fresh shrimp, you want to put it while you are frying, or before you fry the veggies, so that you can let it cook a little bit with the oil, fried, and then after spraying a little seasoning in the oil before you now fry the veggies along with it. Okay, but since my shrimp is pre-cooked, I had to put it here now that my noodles is almost done, and I'm closing my pot, and then let it cook till it's completely dry. The water is completely dry, has dried down. So you can see here I'm adding my tomato sauce to my noodle, and I'm stirring it to make sure that it's mixed well. This is the quickest food I have ever cooked in my life. The quickest, I can tell you for sure. And the fact that anybody can cook it, it's just amazing. Anybody can do it. So add your veggies at this point, and at this point my stove is off. You want to turn off your heat, except you want to cook your veggies some more, but I don't want to cook it some more. So I turn off my heat, and I'm stirring my noodles along with my veggies to make sure that everything is mixed well. Can you even imagine the taste of this goodness? I would like you to try it, and then you let me know how it tastes. I bet you're gonna love every bit of it. So it's done, and then I'm transferring it into my plate to enjoy this delicious delicious goodness, mouth watering delicious noodles. So this is very easy to make. You can make it within 6 minutes or less than that by yourself at home. Okay, so here is it. Isn't this amazing? So I want you to try this recipe and let me know what you think, but I can bet you for sure that you will love every bit of it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If this video has been helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, share, and then subscribe. And when you click the subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell icon and select all so that you get all notifications, because I post videos every twice in a week, 2 times every week, 2 times every week. That's when I post all my videos. Okay, and also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Savannah Niger Foodie. Savannah Niger Foodie. Thank you so much, guys, for your constant love and support. I really appreciate it, and I want to thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you so much.